Antonio, Flooring King. Today I'm going to show you how to install laminate flooring. It is easy as a 1, 2, 3.
We're going to bring the boxes to the location and let it acclimate within 24 hours. After it's been acclimated for the room, we are ready for our installation. After 48 hours, when the material is acclimated and ready to install, go ahead and roll your underlayment from side to side of the room and just cut it at the end every time you hit the wall. You should be able to use a utility knife only. Mark with the pencil the area you want to cut. Start rolling the second row and do the same thing. Mark it with a pencil and just cut it with a utility knife. Put a blue tape underlayment in between the two pieces of pad in order to ensure that they're not going to move when you do the installation. Repeat taping the two underlayments together until the whole room is becoming one big piece. When you come to the corner, you might have a leftover underlayment. Just cut it against the wall and tape them together. Now that our room is ready for installation, we're going to start the installation process with the laminate flooring. Go ahead and put the spacers against the wall in order to leave some space for expansion. Start from the far left of the corner with the first piece and just click the second piece and continue till you get to the wall. When it comes to the last piece, all you need to do is measure the length between the wall and your last piece of flooring and just reverse the plank and cut it. The leftover piece can be the beginning piece of your new row. Continue with the process for the next piece and the next row, the same exact we did at the first one. Keep clicking the heads together. The same process is going to be to row number 2. When you have a little left over, just get a large piece, measure from the wall to the end of the second plank, reverse the plank, cut it and install it again. Continue the same process till you get to the end of the room.
Now that you know how to install laminate flooring, you're welcome in one of our locations. We got plenty of colors in stock, very friendly service. We will help you.